I didn't get into the trade to prove a point. I got into it to build something better. When I was younger, I used to like fixing things a lot. Had that kind of logical mindset, always liked doing puzzles. So then went into uni and did architecture, and I spent about 2 years doing that. There was kind of something missing. I was having a conversation with a friend who was a plumber, and it sounded really fun. I just signed up to a college, chucked myself in. Amongst the class that I was in, I was the only female. Architecture's quite male-dominated as well, but I didn't look at it as I'm the odd one out.
Can you give an example of a challenge you faced whilst working in the trade?
I had a job with a female customer. I'd arrived to fix a leaking sink. She opened the door and said to me, "Why have you been sent? You're not going to be able to do this job." I did the job, and then afterwards she sat down, shook my hand and went, "I can't wait to tell my husband because he's not going to believe this." You have to not let things get to you. I know what I'm capable of doing, and I wouldn't be there if I wasn't able to do the job. It's more of a skills industry, yeah. I let the work do the talking. I think Mira are quite an open-minded brand. I know that they are advocating for women in the industry and push that incentive out there to people as well. If you're installing something, you want it to look perfect. With Mira, they are thinking about all of the small things. They're solid built. I'm not going to get a call back in a year saying, "Oh, this is not working." When I leave a customer's house, I want them feeling like they've had a good experience. It gives you a good feeling. And at the end of it, I can stand back and go, "Yeah, I did that." For me, this is more than a shower installation. Sorry. Hello, K's and Heating and Plumbing.